Welcome to Lagniappe, a program about events, issues, and people. I'm Cory, Crowe. I'm joined today by Katherine, Thompson, and Adrienne LaFrance-Wells, both from downtown West Monroe. And ladies, thanks for being with us today on Lagniappe.
Absolutely. Happy to be here.
Yes, thank you so much.
Well, it's good to have you both here, and welcome Katherine. You're brand new in West Monroe, the Communication and Special Events Assistant. And Katherine, there's a big event coming up. What's happening?
Yes, we have a lot going on in downtown on Friday.
Yes, and we are thrilled to have Katherine.
Thank
Just
you so
thrilled
much.
to have her on this team. So, of course, we have Ouachita Live, and this particular Ouachita Live, we have a lot happening in conjunction with the concert. So we have our headliners, Billy Allen and the Pollies. We have an all-ages rhythm workshop with Lady Chops. We have a pie baking contest, and then we have a spirits and whiskey tasting event that will benefit the Northeast Louisiana Celtic Festival.
Now, this is all coming up Friday night, Katherine. The weather is going to be fall-like. It's going to be great. How does the night get started? What's the first part of the evening look like?
So I believe we're going to start with the pie baking contest, right?
Yes,
Adrienne?
that's right.
So Adrienne, tell me about this. What time does the pie baking I guess the pie baking doesn't happen on site. Do you bring your pie? How does it work?
That's correct. So people of all ages can bring their sweet dessert pies between 4:30 and 5:30. It's $10 to enter, and you can enter up to 2 pies, so $10 per pie, and the pies will be judged, and then we will be selling slices to the general public once the pies are sliced and judged. So that begins at 4:30. And all the proceeds, of course, go into downtown projects with our Downtown West Monroe Revitalization Group nonprofit. So then we move on to the All Ages Rhythm Workshop, and that is going to be an interactive performance by Ruston's own Lady Chops, Elizabeth Vitos, and that will start at 6:30 and go until 7:30. She has over 15 instruments. It's an extremely interactive, very entertaining, high-energy performance.
I've got a claim to fame.
Yeah.
I went to college with her.
At Tech.
She is a...
Yeah.
That's awesome.
No, I didn't go to Tech.
I'm sorry, to ULM.
Come on now.
Here
I
we
went
are
to
at
ULM.
ULM's campus.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know that. Elizabeth was in the band in the Sound of Today.
That's right.
And went on to a career on Broadway and Stomp.
Yes, she was in Stomp.
And is like one of the best percussionists I know.
She is amazing. And, you know, adults love her. Kids love to watch her. So she is going to really wow the crowd. It's going to get the energy going.
Very excited for that.
Yes. And then at 7:30, our headliners, Billy Allen and the Pollies. They are coming in from Muscle Shoals, Alabama. They're joining us again. Their new album, Black Noise, is out, and I highly recommend you going on and listening to that on any streaming platform. It was produced by Jay Burgess and Ben Tanner. Ben Tanner is the founder of Single Lock Records, and he also is the former keyboardist for the Alabama Shakes. They have very much an Alabama Shakes feel.
Tell everybody, because I asked you this. I was like,
Yeah.
all right, Adrienne, how did you find Billy Allen and the Pollies? And you were on a little bit of a mission.
Yes, so I went to Muscle Shoals, Alabama for a Recording Academy event. Thank you, Dan Sumner, for making that happen. And this event was leading up into the Grammys, the Grammy Awards. And they had, you know, these legacy musicians coming in at the Church of Sound, which is right next to the famous Muscle Shoals studio. And, you know, lots of industry leaders there in the room, lots of musicians playing. But when Billy Allen and the Pollies got on that stage, and they had recently formed, this was a couple of years ago, everybody stopped what they were doing and went to the front of the stage. So Billy Allen, the vocalist, he is like a male Tina Turner. He is quite the entertainer. wonderful range.
Does not have the legs.
Right. But incredible stage presence, and the Pollies are very much a respected group in Muscle Shoals. So it's an incredible show that they'll bring to us. The Spirits and Whiskey Tasting, that is presented by the Cory Foundation, and Choice Brands will be bringing out a variety of spirits and fine whiskey to taste. There is quite the list of spirits that will be on site. So that's $25 to participate. We are recommending for people to go ahead and purchase their tickets in advance. You can go on to the West Monroe Chamber website and purchase your tickets there. Again, it's $25. We will be selling them on site as well. Pie baking contest. You're going to get to enjoy a little slice, and taste what our amateur bakers have throughout the community. Of course, Ouachita Live happens every month from March through October, the last Friday of the month. Bring a chair. We have spirits on site as well as food trucks. It's always free, but we do encourage people to donate to the series if they're able to bring some cash, because that really does help pay our artists.
I know you cook well, Adrienne, but you're organizing the event. Are you entering a pie? Anna Katherine, are you entering a pie?
I do not bake. I'm not a baker, but I will definitely try them. That's for sure.
Yes.
Well, what about you, Adrienne? Are you going to be dropping a pie into the contest?
I certainly would be disqualified. I'm sure the pie would be that good, right? Actually, Vernon would be the one to win, not me. He's the baker in the family. But also want to give a special thank you to our Northeast Louisiana Arts Council. They really helped support the rhythm workshop portion of the evening with the Louisiana Projects grant. So, that makes so much of the arts happen here in our region, as well as KEDM. So come out, enjoy this Friday in downtown West Monroe. Kicks off at 4:30, and we go all the way to 9 p.m.
Adrienne LaFrance-Wells with us today. Anna Katherine Thompson, welcome on the team. And this is all coming up Friday night, downtown West Monroe, Ouachita Live, Billy Allen and the Pollies. And for folks to find out about all of these events, in case they want to go back and look at the list, where do they go?
You can go to the Downtown West Monroe Facebook page. All of the events should be up close to the top of the Facebook page.
Find out more about this and other events at our website at KEDM.org.